Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get secure folder in any Android phone. Simply go on Play Store, search application, secure folder, simply scroll down, tap on this application, tap on install, tap on open, select your language, enter your secure folder passcode, set your secure folder passcode, simply select your Google account, now grant the access, tap on this toggle, now go back, allow all the permissions. Now from here you can add files and from here you can add photos. If you scroll down, here you get audios, secret notes and documents. For example, I want to add photos, so I will simply tap on photos. I will tap here. I will select this photo. Tap on tick icon. As you can see here, my photo is added. So this is how you can get secure folder in any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.